Women's World Cup, Umaima Sohail bowls a 7-ball over against South Africa. इसका क्या किस्सा है? Well, I'm going to be telling you. उसके बाद Jasprit Bumrah has opined on how Akshar Patel has replaced Kuldeep Yadav in the second Test match and what really happened for this decision to be taken. Stay tuned to today's video to find out. और सबसे अंत में we're going to be taking a look at the fact that Team India's physio Nitin Patel will be transferred to the NCA. Why is that? Well, you'll find out that as well in today's episode of News Tracker with me, Nivedna Prabhu. Hi everyone, I hope you're well and of course keeping safe. Welcome to News Tracker. This is the show जहाँ पे we bring you the latest news in the world of cricket. लेकिन before we begin today's video, अगर आपने अभी तक like, share और subscribe नहीं किया है to our channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. So go ahead and hit that button quickly and without wasting any more time, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का नया वीडियो. Well, the high-profile event of the Women's World Cup 2022 is in full swing and जहाँ पे South Africa and Pakistan were clashing in an exciting contest, an umpiring error has caught the attention of the fans. इसका क्या किस्सा है? Let's take a look. Now, Pakistan's Umaima Sohail delivered the over which was filled with action as Laura Woolwarden smashed a boundary off the second ball. However, in what should have been a final ball of the over, the umpire adjudged Soonoo's LBW. But the batter overturned the decision for the second time in the innings. They should have ended the 27th over, but the umpire insisted on bowling one more deliver, which eventually turned out to be the 7th ball of the over. Now, आप सबको क्या कहना है इसके बारे में? And also, what are your predictions for the Women's World Cup 2022? Who do you think is going to get the title eventually? मुझे आपकी predictions दीजिए in the comments below. Now, Team India's vice-captain Jasprit Bumrah has opened up about Kuldeep Yadav's exclusion from the second test against Sri Lanka, which will be happening in Bengaluru. He's also spoken about Akshar Patel's contribution. Now, one has to remember that Kuldeep, of course, was selected for the first test but was warming the benches, and now, of course, he's no longer a part of the second test. So, what was the thought process behind that, and what does Bumrah have to say about this as well? Let's find out. Now, Bumrah went on to say, "See, we have not removed Kuldeep Yadav from the team. He has been in the bubble for a long time and hence he has been released. Staying in a bubble is not easy. Mental aspect is important. Akshar Patel has added a lot of value whenever he has played, has contributed a lot and offers a lot in all departments." So, एक तरफ of course Bumrah has made it very clear that it is also that mental fitness or well-being that is important, especially staying in bio bubble. That entire process can create fatigue, which is why Kuldeep was released rather than being replaced if you happen to look at it. लेकिन दूसरी तरफ he has of course spoken about Akshar Patel's contribution. How do you all look at this? Do you think at the end of the day, the way Bumrah has put it across is justified? And are you also feeling a little disappointed that you won't be seeing Kuldeep Yadav in action? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Now, Team India physio Nitin Patel is set to be transferred to the National Cricket Academy, that is known as the NCA, which is in Bengaluru after the ongoing test series between India and Sri Lanka. Why is that and what is again the thought process behind this? Let's find out. Now, it has been learned that Patel is being transferred after suggestions from head coach Rahul Dravid, who is worried about the recent spat of injuries to the players. According to a report, the team management felt that the expertise of Nitin Patel could be needed at the NCA given that there are 2 World Cups coming in the next 18 months. Now, of course, that is crucial because you wouldn't want any player to be, out of a big campaign like any of the World Cups because of injury concerns. We've also seen in the recent past that Surya Kumar Yadav had an injury, Deepak Chahar as well, and they're all really trying to, figure out, how they'll, of course, be coming out of that injury is one thing, but when such huge campaigns around the corner, it is definitely, crucial for the expertise of Team India physio like Nitin Patel, of course, to be at the NCA and help these players. But what do you think of the move? Of course, an official statement has to come out, but like it is said that it is, Rahul Dravid's suggestion that this would probably help players. आपका क्या कहना है इसके बारे में? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Well, उसी के साथ दोस्तों ये वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है. If you like the video, you know what to do, right? If you don't, let me tell you, give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because वहाँ पे you'll find some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss out. मेरा नाम है निवेदना प्रभु. I'll be back once again to tell you what's happening in the world of cricket. लेकिन तब तक ना भूलिएगा to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until I see you next time, like I always say, take care of yourselves and most importantly, stay safe. Bye bye.